Welcome back. In this video we are going to discuss about polar coordinate system. So the same drawing what we did in the previous exercise or previous videos, the same drawing, but in this video we are going to discuss polar coordinate system. You know very well the polar coordinate system, we using the @ symbol and also we using the angles, less than symbol and angle. That angle value, you know, like this is starting from 0 degree, this is for 90 degree, here 180 and 270. So this is our angle. So same like using this angles we go to create the same point what we did in the relative coordinate system. So last video also we are discussed that the first point is I am taking to 0, 0. If you want some other point what you like you choose. Input we give only absolute coordinate system. It means without any @ or less than or degree like that. Directly we give the x and y axis value. So next point number 2. So point number 2 we are using the @ symbol. Here also we go to change in our tabulation. We go to change small modification in our table also. I go to add one more column because the first point only we give the x and y axis value. After that we give D and A for angle, D for distance. Okay. The point number 2, the distance is 60, angle is 0 because the first point to second point the line traveling on 0 degree angle, that's why we give the 0. Point number 3, now the second point is acting on a origin point. Okay, so point number 3, the distance is 20 and the angle is 90. Okay, 90 degree because this full vertical. Point number 4, now only we are using this 22.36 distance. So now I take 22.36 and the angle 63 is given. So we take directly 63? No, because AutoCAD always taking from anti-clockwise angle. So this is our axis. Okay, so AutoCAD always take from here to here. Okay, so we want to know the full angle. So we know only the 63. What about this angle? This angle we want to know. This is ideally, so this is 90 degree. So 90 plus 63, so 153 is the total angle. Like this you want to calculate. So I give angle is 153. Next one, point number 5, we want to draw this line. Distance as usual we know 22.36. What about the angle? Here angle is little different. Okay, so now this is our origin point because previous point is acting on a origin point. So it's very simple. Directly divide this 53, then we get this angle. We want only this angle. So total is 53. So 53 divided by 2 we get this angle. The angle is 26.5. 26.5 plus 26.5 we get 53. Okay, next. So now we reach the point number 5. We want to draw point number 6. So point number 6, the distance is 20, then the angle is 90. Point number 7, the distance is 25 and the angle is 180. So here no minus sign, so you are not getting any confused because the relative method only we want to check the minus sign, plus sign and all, but in the polar coordinate system you look only for the angles. You no need to bother about other minus or plus signs. So next, here also inclined, here also we have that angle. So point number 8, the distance is 20.62, then the angle. So here how we go to find this angle? This is also very simple, because now this is our origin point. We know this full values, okay, but this value no need for me. So what we need in this place, we need only for this total angles, okay. You know very well the total is 360. So 360 minus 104, we get the angle. The angle is 256. So next, point number 9. The distance is same, 20.62. What about the angle? Angle is given 28. So same like for 53. So 14. So now we go to give the point number 10 values. So point number 10, the distance is 25, the angle is 180. Next, point number 11, the distance is 20, the angle is 270, because now that point 10 to 11 downwards. So downwards vertical we give 270. Then point number 12. So point number 12 as usual, because the same value for the point number 5 and point number 12. The distance is 22.36, and the angle, how we go to find that angle? Maybe you feel little difficult. Not like that, it's very simple. See, now this is our origin point. So we know this value. Because we know that Z, this value and this value is similar, same values. So this is, we know 26.5. So it means here also 26.5. Okay. So 360 minus 26.5, we get that value. So our answer is 333.5. Okay. Next, point number 13. So this is our origin point. This value we know 26.5. Then this value also we know 180. So 180 plus 26.5, we get this angle. So our angle is 206.5. What about the distance? The same distance, 22.36. Next, point number 14. It's the last point. The distance is 20 and angle is 270, because downward. So this is our polar coordinate system points. So using this point, we go to create our AutoCAD drawing. So just I take the screenshot for this. Now I open the AutoCAD. I give zoom, limit and units. So please, you also prepare this drawing sheet. I go to paste it here. Okay, so this is our drawing values. Now I go to L and enter. So in this drawing we no need to use the mouse. So in this drawing we no need to use the mouse. So in the command prompt I go to type L and enter, it means line command. The first point as usual I go to take 0, 0. And the second point we using the @ symbol. The distance is 60 and less than symbol, the angle is 0. Okay. Point number 3 @20 less than symbol, the angle is 90. Point number 4 @22.36 less than symbol, angle is 153. Next, at the rate 22.36, the same value, less than symbol, the angle is 26.5. Next, point number 6, at the rate, the distance is 20, less than symbol, the angle is 90. Again, another point, at the rate, the distance is 25, less than symbol, the angle is 180. So now, point number 8, at the rate 20,62 less than 256. Okay. Again, point number 9, at the rate 62 at the rate angle is 14. Yes, here we did some mistake. So angle not 14. Once again we check our drawing. So in this place directly we take as a 14. So in this place we directly take as a 14, but this is not 14 because this is our origin point. So 14, we know only this angle is 14, but we know this we want to add this 90 also. So 90 plus 14, so 104 is the right value. So maybe you did some like this mistakes. Don't worry, no need to come out from entire command, just you type U and enter. Okay. So now I go to give the value at the rate, the distance is 20,62 less than symbol, the angle is 104, not 14. Okay, please enter 104, we get the right value. Next, point number 10, at the rate 25 less than symbol 180. Next, point number 11, at the rate 10 less than symbol, the value is 270, degree is 270. Now also I enter the value wrongly because I want to type 20 but I typed only 10. So just I press U and enter. Again I go to give same value, at the rate 20 less than 270. So I get the right values. So next, point number 12, at the rate 22.36 less than 333.5. See the angle, see the line. Okay, this is correct. Again, at the rate 22.36 at the rate symbol, now the value is 206.5. Okay, so last one, at the rate 20 less than symbol 270, enter, and again last we give another enter. Now the command line is over. So see, this is our drawing. Okay, so like this you practice more, then only you get how to calculate the angle in polar system. Okay, thank you for watching. We will meet you in the next class.